Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto market. In this video, I'll be speaking about Router Protocol and the Route token, which is a layer 1 blockchain focused on interoperability and connecting all chains as well as decentralized applications. Router Protocol has been under development for 3 years now, and we are soon approaching the mainnet launch, so it is very exciting times. And as well as the fact that Router Protocol right now is only at a $100 million market cap, I've first been speaking about it here on the Crypto Empire channel from the time it was around a $50 million market cap, but nonetheless, I think it has a lot left in the gas tank here. So in this video, I'll be discussing why I am bullish on Router Protocol, as well as the fundamentals of the project. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the end of this video. It's time to get into it and let the gains be with you. So Router Protocol is currently trading for $7.12 with a $101 million market cap. Now, like I said in the intro to this video, this is not a new project that I'm bringing up for the first time. It's not some new discovery. I've been tracking Router Protocol for a long time now. I first spoke about Router Protocol in my free ebook that was released at the beginning of September, and then I put out my official buy alert in the Discord back on November 11th, 11/11, when the price was $2.87 at a $39 million market cap. Now it's $7.12 at a $101 million market cap. But in my opinion, that is still extremely low and very undervalued with where I see Route going and my growth projections. Let me explain why right now. Now, in terms of the tokenomics of Router Protocol, there are 20 million coins max, and right now there are 14.3 million in circulation. Now, with that being said, Router Protocol is backed by some huge VCs in the space, and those do include, if I can find it over here, those do include Coinbase Ventures, which is very bullish, some other huge VCs, as well as the Polygon Matic Foundation itself is invested in this project. And I will be going over the roadmap here of Router Protocol. But I do want to note here, in terms of those VCs, we can go ahead and read that Router Protocol has garnered support from industry giants such as Coinbase Ventures, Wintermute, Polygon, and QCP Capital. With most investor vesting complete, they experience minimal selling pressure, ensuring strong ownership and long-term support. So most of the tokens from all these big VCs are already in circulation right now, and they aren't necessarily just selling. Are they expecting higher prices? Well, their actions can answer that question for you. I'm not going to answer that question. I'll let you use your best judgment. But nonetheless, the big VCs aren't really selling, only a 100 mil market cap. The project has been in development for 3 years now, and they did just launch their Nitro Router Testnet. And this is huge in my opinion. Once this does go live to mainnet, I'm expecting huge parabolic growth for Router Protocol and the Route token. So what the Nitro Testnet is, or the Nitro Router Bridge, is very simple. It connects all decentralized applications together with this cross-chain bridge, and it is called the Cross-Chain Intent Framework. Very simply put, it connects disparate blockchain networks and also enhances them with new functionalities tailored to meet specific interoperability needs while ensuring flexibility and security. Nonetheless, all it does, it connects all blockchains together, whether it's EVM or non-EVM, doesn't necessarily matter, with the Router Nitro cross-chain bridge, making it extremely useful for both users and developers. So like I said, this is in testnet right now. Some of the chains already being supported on testnet. You got Near ZK Sync, the Smart Chain, SKL Scale, Solana, Linea, Polygon. And again, just what the Nitro bridge is. So with Nitro, Web3 users from any chain could use your DeFi product if you are a developer. And for users, everyday users like you and I, what we can look forward to now is easy bridging cross-chain, as well as security, safety, and lower fees with the Router Nitro bridge. So we can see the Nitro ensures fund safety by allowing forwarders to claim funds only after verified settlement, deterring malicious activities for robust security. So it is fast, it is secure, and it is only in testnet right now. You can see the comparisons with gas consumed comparing to other bridges such as Layer 0, Axelar, Hop, Across, and Router Protocol beats all of the metrics by a large margin. All right, so there's a good chance that this is going to become one of the most used bridging protocols. It may outshine Layer 0. We'll see about that. But nonetheless, it's definitely on my list of very bullish lower market cap crypto projects at the current moment in time at only a $100 million market cap. Now, talking about the roadmap and what we have to look forward to. So here we are in Q1 of 2024, and basically the mainnet launch is the main thing on the roadmap right now. It's only in testnet. Once the mainnet does go live, it's going to be very exciting with 18 chains. They will soon integrate the Bitcoin ecosystem as well as full Cosmos interoperability, which is huge. And then cross-chain adapters and POC releases for liquid staking derivatives, lending, and decentralized exchanges. All right, so Lido Finance, Aave, stuff like that. It's all going to become cross-chain with the Router Protocol Nitro Bridge. And then in Q2 of 2024, a lot of partnerships. Router Protocol already has an insane amount of partnerships, but they will be adding more in Q2. And then the last 2 quarters of the year, so some white paper releases, some cross-chain adapters for liquid staking protocols, and they will also be integrating Solana, Aleph Zero, Ton, the Open Network, Telegram, as well as a lot of other non-EVM blockchains. So this is all happening right now this year. It's a very exciting time for Router Protocol because, like I said, this has been building for 3 years and it's finally actually releasing. So definitely follow Router Protocol on Twitter for all project updates, and then follow their CEO over here, this guy Ramani. He's the CEO of Router Protocol, and he posts a lot of useful stuff over here on Twitter, a lot of good updates. So if you are bullish on this project or you want to learn more about this project, he is a good, reliable resource, being that he is the CEO of the project. Anyways, let's take a look at the price chart here of Router Protocol and go over what I'm seeing in the charts. So looking at Route here, we'll start things off on the weekly time frame. Let's go ahead and zoom it out to the weekly. So on the weekly, we have essentially this released in 2021. This chart on MEXC only goes back to 2022, but essentially it did release in 2021, the token, but it really wasn't usable at all. And here we have a 700-day accumulation range going back to February of 2022. And a few weeks ago, back in early December, it broke out of this weekly accumulation range. And this is very bullish. The longer the base, the larger the rally, as the saying goes. Now, dropping this back down to the daily time frame, we have a lot of buying and selling taking place now between $6 to around $8, $9, right? All of this packet of price action. A lot of buying and selling going on. From just looking at the chart, though, I can confidently say that there are more buyers than sellers. How do I know that? Well, there's just continuous higher lows, right? You have a low, higher lows, higher lows. Now, a lot of people are waiting for a pullback. So if we do get a pullback here on Router Protocol, the first level that I would be looking, well, you want to see the 4-hour 200 EMA hold. And a few days ago, it did actually get tagged over here on the 12th or the 13th of January. And with these EMA taps, I was on top of it, as you can see here in the Discord on the 13th of January. I let everybody know that, this level right here at the 4-hour 200 EMA, if you were waiting for a pullback, well, now you have it. All right. And we had a nice bounce, but there's a good chance, or I won't say a good chance, but there's a chance that we do break it lower and we head down to some lower levels. The next level is $6.50 down to $6. All right, and anything underneath $6 is a very, very strong buy, in my opinion, for Router Protocol. That would be much less than a $100 million market cap, and I do expect Router Protocol to go to the billions of dollars in market cap. All right, I'm not sure how high exactly it will go, but I would not be surprised to see a $5 billion to a $10 billion market cap by the peak of the bull run. And from my first buy at a 39 mil market cap, I only need a 3.9 bill market cap to see a 100x return. $3.9 billion is not that far-fetched. It's not that out of the realm for a project of this magnitude. I definitely think that's possible for Router Protocol. So anyways, just to start wrapping this one up, for your buy zones, you have $6.50 to $6, and then realistically, you have your daily EMAs down here at around $4.50. Like I said, anything underneath $6 is when you really want to kind of get aggressive, in my opinion, not financial advice, and start adding or buying, establishing a position anywhere underneath $6. Even right now at current prices, I think it has a long way to go up and you cannot go wrong. With that being said, this video is not financial advice. It was for educational purposes only, but Router Protocol is one of my top lower cap projects for this upcoming bull market. I hope that you enjoyed the video. So in this video, we took a look at Router Protocol and the Route token. We talked about the roadmap, the Router Nitro bridge that's in testnet right now. Mainnet will be going soon, as well as the price chart and some price projections for this upcoming bull run. I hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by smashing that like button down below. And if you were brand new to Crypto Empire and you are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so that you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I'll see you in the next video.